When you work with lot of images in your project, sometime you may want to select only a few of them. For example, you are working on a photo shoot project and you just want to present only the favorites out of the whole range of images. Now you can select those images right here from the content. You just click on the images that you like, press the Ctrl key and keep on clicking the images that are your favorites. This is one way, but in this way you don't get the full idea about the image because the preview over here is very small. Well, there is a solution for this problem, and that is called review mode. First of all, select the images from which you want to select your favorites. So over here I'll just press Ctrl A from my keyboard to select all of the images. Then go to the view and from view menu select review mode. When you select review mode, there will be an image preview like this. In the review mode, you'll be able to move back and forth to your images. There is a left key over here. You press it and you go to the left image. And there is a right key here. If you click on that, you'll go to the next. You can do the same using the left arrow key and right arrow key on your keyboard. If there is an image that you don't like, press the down key. So that will deselect the image from your selection. So let's do it. I am going to the next image by pressing the left arrow key. This is the image that is not being loaded properly. So I'll just select the key from here or press the down arrow key to deselect this image. Now I'm going to the previous one. I don't like this image very much, so I'll just press the down key over here or press the down arrow key from my keyboard. Well, we are back at the beginning. I have deselected the images that I don't really like. That means only the favorites of mine are selected now. After you deselect all the images that you don't want to include in your selection, just press the escape key. And as you can see, your selection is here. Now, if you want to remember this selection, you can go to Label menu and give them some ratings. For here, I am giving them 2-star rating. So all of the selected images are 2-star. So whenever I come back to this project and I see 2-star, I'll know these are the images I have selected in my selection.